A very interesting Wednesday at the Nigerian market. 264.6 billion naira is the total bonds and treasury bills to be auctioned today by the Debt Office and the Central Bank of Nigeria. Let's track the FMDQ OTC Securities Exchange market now for today's debt trading. Let's be joined by the head fixed income dealing at Diamond Bank, Adam Bachu. Thank you very much. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon.
So, quickly, what comparisons will you be making between today's opening market yields and the current yields, both in the bonds and the treasury bills market?
Okay, for the bond market, not much movement was seen in the market today, though we witnessed strong bearish sentiment, where we saw the yield go up as high as 24 basis points for the shorter maturities and 22 basis points for the longer maturities. For the treasury bills, we saw a reverse reaction. The yield actually dropped by about 60 basis points at the short end of the curve and 42 basis points at the long end of the curve. The reactions in the market were actually caused by the inflation figures coming out at 11.4%, which was about 200 basis points higher than the last inflation figure, which was at 9.6. And also the uncertainty surrounding the bond auction, which is today, and the treasury bills auction today.
Yes, you mentioned the big story today, the debt auction at the bond market, 100 billion naira, and the treasury bills about 164 billion naira. How's the market reacting to this jumbo auction this Wednesday?
Well, the reaction was actually felt mostly yesterday, where we saw strong bearish sentiment and a bit early hours of the market today. However, in anticipation of the auction, we expect the auction yield to come out between 11.3 to 11.5 for the 5-year bond auction, and 12.1 to 12.15 for the 20-year, for the 10-year auction, and 12.45, 12.6 for the 20-year bond auction.
Okay, so in just about 30 seconds, what's your short-term outlook of the market, Ada?
Yeah, we expect traders to be very cautious, in the short term, due to the uncertainty surrounding the market in terms of the low GDP coming out, and also the expected budget, coming out.
Okay, thank you so much for today. From Diamond Bank, head of dealing for fixed income, Adam Bachu there. And Bangladesh's central bank governor has resigned after hackers stole $81 million from the central bank's account at the New York Federal Reserve. One of the largest cyber robbery in history, robbing the central bank, and the central bank governor of Bangladesh has resigned. The Prime Minister has since accepted the central bank governor's resignation. That's all for today. Do have a great day, and I'll see you next time.